does that becomes zat. Does that sound okay? Does that sound okay? Can you say it with me? I'm feeling tacos. Does that sound okay? Great question. Because a lot of restaurants have changed over the last year, and you never know when a restaurant might be closed, it's a good question to ask, is Ted's Cafe open? I would love to go there. Is some restaurant open? I would love to go there. There's a little way that we can reduce this question. Take a look at this. Is Ted's Cafe open? I'd love to go there. The word would becomes I'd. I would, I'd. So you can say, is Ted's Cafe open? I'd love to go there. Can you say it with me? Is Ted's Cafe open? I'd love to go there. Great. In the US, a lot of restaurants are having outdoor seating. So you could say, let's go to Louis, a restaurant named Louis. Let's go to Louis and eat lunch on their patio. Eat lunch on their patio. This is like an outdoor dining area. It's really nice when restaurants have this because sometimes you don't feel like eating at home, but especially with kids, if you don't feel like confining them inside a restaurant, or maybe you don't feel comfortable doing that, if a restaurant has a patio, it's much more informal feeling, and it's kind of a nice spur of the moment thing to do. A great expression that you can use is, let's grab a bite at Louis. Let's grab a bite at Ted's Cafe. To grab a bite is usually a quick meal. It might be lunch. Usually it's not dinner because it's pretty quick, but it might just be a short experience. It's not a long dinner. It's not a big to-do. Let's grab a bite at Ted's Cafe because I have to go somewhere later. Let's grab a bite at somewhere else. Can you say that with me? Let's grab a bite at Ted's Cafe. Let's grab a bite. Our final answer to the question, what you want to eat, is I know a place, or I know a spot that has great pasta. I know a place that has great pizza. I know a place. You could leave this simple and just say, I know a place, come with me. But if you want to be a little less mysterious, you could just say, oh, I know a place that has great pasta, come with me, and you've got to try it. Okay, this is kind of maybe an unknown restaurant location that not many people know about, and it's a great phrase to use. Oh, I know a place that you're gonna love. Excellent. Are you ready to practice these? First, I would like you to watch the sample conversation between my husband and I as we talk about where we want to eat, what we want to eat. Think about those phrases, notice the phrases that we use, and then after that, you're gonna have a chance to speak out loud and practice it yourself. Let's watch the sample conversation. Hey, you want to grab lunch?
Sure, but I only have time for a quick bite before my soccer game. What sounds good?
How about pasta?
That sounds great. How about I call it in, you pick it up, and we'll picnic in the park before my game starts?
That sounds great. I know a place that's close by and has great tomato sauce. All right, now it's your turn. I want you to use these phrases that you've learned. I'm going to ask you a question. We're going to have a little conversation together. It's your chance to speak out loud. So I'm going to ask a question and pause. Wait for your answer. No matter where you are around the world, I will be listening to you. So please take this opportunity to speak and use what you've learned. If you need to repeat this section again and again, do that. It's a great way to gain confidence as you speak. Are you ready? Hey, I'm hungry. Let's grab lunch. What you in the mood for? Oh, that sounds good. Do you know a good place? Oh, that sounds good. Do you want to eat there or get takeout? Great, let's go. Well, how did you do? Do you feel a little more confident discussing dining options and talking about